Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. I'm sure you recognize our Mercedes 1984 300 Coupe, right, CD. And I decided to look what's happening inside of this door while none of those window motors works, why even the lock is stuck, right? Everything is in really bad shape. So in this video I will go ahead and show how to remove this door panel. And all you experts already see, right, that somebody did some work for me, because this part, that silver or chrome trim and that bolt is missing, so that might have been one of the steps. And all these chrome pieces, 1, 2, 3 right here, 4, 5 are held by the Phillips screws. It's not a normal size, it's that smaller one, right? So as you can see right here, for example, this is held by 3. Now, as you just saw, you really need to make sure the screwdriver perfectly engaged into the head. Because otherwise, right, you are risking you will strip it, and then you will have problems. And of course, that already gave a trouble, this one, but let's see how the other ones will go. Oh, this one was easy, right? This is perfect. And there's one more, as you can see right here. And this one is loose too. I don't know if somebody tried to remove it and just the one didn't go, or what happened here. But right, another silver chrome piece is removed. And you are start seeing different parts of the door panel. I will continue with this piece, and what I just said, right? If you look inside here in detail, that screw, it's partially stripped, right? Somebody was not careful with it. I can see that was giving a hard time to someone, right? So this piece goes easily off, right? There's nothing special about it. Another trim right here. This one totally, is rusted and stripped, but it's not over tight. So I'm able, fortunately, to get it off. I will show you the detail of this screw right now. Right, so the trim goes off. Look at that screw, how stripped it is. Right, it's like barely. I was really lucky actually to get it out. As I pointed out earlier, there's one more. This one has 2 those screws. This one is going easy. That's great. And there's one more on the bottom. Screwdriver doesn't fit here, so I will get a shorter one. This is the piece, right, and 2 screws. Now everything is getting loose, but as we know on Mercedes, there will be definitely some screws here inside of that handle, right? And these definitely will not be some tiny screws for the tiny Phillips screwdriver, right? I'm using just the normal one. I don't have to even really look there. I should be able to feel the screw. Get it. Alright. Right. Oh, did you hear it? Okay. Again, I will show you the size, right? So this is the screw. How to put it the other way. Here you can see it. There's one more right here, right? And the handle should be coming off the door panel. Here you go. You can see it with that screw still in, right? The handle is off. And this is old panel which is barely hanging here, so I don't need even pop anything off, right? Always you lift it up, right? So carefully. I don't want to break it more than it is already. But look how easily it gave. And you see that all these plastic fasteners, I don't know why they are not engaged, why the previous person didn't put them on. It's just mystery, right? This car unfortunately wasn't taken care of, so it all shows. Let's go and see that door. And I can immediately see some damages, right, and incorrect hardware and fasteners. So if you look here, right, these are not the nuts which supposed to be there. Also these washers. There is some damage to the door itself. This is all bent, right? It was under the stress. Here you can see that lock lever, right? And here is the mechanism. Obviously, here's the detail of that central locking system, which is run by the vacuum. So that's pretty interesting, right? Here is the opener. This one works good, it's easy. Just this one almost doesn't want to move. Now that's the motor for the window regulator, and these are the connections. So I can definitely go and test it right here if, right, the motor will work or not. So my friend, it was another Mercedes video for you. Make sure you are subscribed, because I will have always more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.